Hi, this is Fariha Piti Shabuddin from Group T16, and the video that you will be going to watch will be my entry video for week 5. Now, my favorite learning style is the visual learning style because it is much easier to learn through eyesight, as sometimes you can reread what is being taught if you didn't quite catch what the lecturer is trying to say. While simultaneously listening to the lesson, I can also see what are the things that the lecturer is trying to explain, as it can help me remember the lesson better through association between the pictures and the words. The reason number 2 is because it is much more interesting to learn something when I have something to look at, as I am more easily distracted when I have to just listen to the voice of my lecturer for a long period of time. Picture also sometimes have a more lasting effect to my memory in comparison to words, as it is not as monotonous and repetitive. So how I apply the visual learning style for my revision is quite simple really. So one of the examples I can give is through one of my LNS notes about phonetic symbols. Basically, I've never seen all these weird symbols until I've entered university, and since I've never learned about all of this when I was in high school, it would be quite hard for me to memorize all of it. So what I do is that I draw all of the things that shares the same sound in their names with the symbol, so that whenever I try to remember the sounds of the phonetic, I'll associate it with the pictures I drew. Although I don't necessarily use this technique for my other notes on the other subjects, this method is still one of the funnest and most effective method for me, as drawing is something I'm fond of doing, so I can do all of this more than a few times without getting tired or anxious. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching it.